Have you ever tasted a bowl of Nsala soup, so rich and flavorful that you couldn't stop eating? Today I'm showing you exactly how to make authentic Nigerian white soup from scratch. Using simple ingredients and a few traditional secrets that makes all the difference. If you are new here and you love delicious Nigerian and continental recipes made with natural ingredients, don't forget to subscribe and join the Finalizing Kitchen family. We would love to have you here. Now let's make a perfectly balanced Nsala soup with the right aroma, the right texture, and an unforgettable taste. delicious Nsala soup is ready. The aroma is incredible. The texture is perfect. And it looks absolutely delicious. This final step is always the most important. Shaking the test. I'll shake if it needs a little more salt. It is perfectly seasoned, rich and absolutely delicious. This Nsala soup goes wonderfully well with pounded yam, fufu, semovita, or any swallow of your choice. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to Finalizing Kitchen for more delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.